You don't know how much I adore this damn crack-soaked and chloroform. It makes me so hard to ignore, cause I can never keep your attention. I'm not one to make threats, I've been reduced to promises. I lie to myself cause I do it best. I'm not honest with my intentions. So if the blindfold starts to slip and the rope starts to rip and I slowly start Girl, you're busy and that's fine, but there's one thing I gotta get off my mind. I won't take too much of your time, I promise this won't last long, no. I used to be your biggest fan, you used to say I was your man. Now if I can't have you, no one can. I'll be the last boy you hang up on. So if the blindfold starts to slip and the rope starts to rip and I slowly start to give in, girl, you know I'm sorry, but tonight I'll wait until I know you're fast asleep, to poison you with memories of you and me. I pray you die slowly, so I could be the last thing you see. Oh, you'll see. She's losing.